If you are an UPSC aspirant, this video is a must watch for you. I'm going to tell you top 5 news from The Indian Express. Today is 6th May. Come, let's have a look. CGI says original PIL on Sabrimala should have been thrown in dustbin. Now a 9-judge Supreme Court bench questioned the local standee and intent behind the original 2006 Sabrimala PIL with the Justice Surya Kant suggesting the petition should have been thrown in the dustbin. Now this becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2 polity and governance and for GS paper 1 Indian society as well. Moving forward, let's talk about the second news, that is pollution shift. Air quality dashboard shows rise in ozone as NO2 CO decline. Now Delhi's air quality dashboard reveals a shift in PM 2.5, PM 10 and CO. Now levels are declining due to reduced combustion while ground level ozone 303 is rising, especially during the summer months. Now this becomes highly relevant for GS paper 3 environment and ecology and for GS paper 2 governance perspective. Then we have rain lashes Delhi NCR, AQI drops to lowest of the year. So in this, a significant rainfall and hailstorm across Delhi NCR led to year's lowest average AQI of 86 which is satisfactory, causing a sharp temperature drop and disrupting flight operations at the Delhi airport. This becomes highly important for GS paper 1 geography and GS paper 3 environment and disaster management. Going forward to the next news, we have Bengal to Jammu and Kashmir, the life and politics of SP Mukherjee. Now, this feature chronicles Syama Prasad Mukherjee's transition from the Hindu Mahasabha to founding the Bharatiya Jana Sangh, highlighting his opposition to Article 370 and crusade for Kashmir's full integration into India. Now, this becomes highly relevant for GS paper 1, post-independence history, and GS paper 2, polity also. This becomes highly relevant. Then, the last news for today, we have Ecocide, where international law stands in tackling war toll on environment. And now the article examines Ecocide, mass environmental destruction, tracing its origins to the Vietnam War and discussing current efforts to include it as an international crime under the International Criminal Court's Rome Statute. This becomes highly important for GS paper 2 governance and international relations and GS paper 3 environment. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.